Yes, fire is destructive. We all know that and understand that, but hopefully with this workshop we've shown them that by doing it traditionally, cool burn style, you can still manage country in a safe way and still use fire.
The motivation is simple. I just want to acquire a bit more knowledge with fire in our own region, and we work pretty well, but we do need more knowledge, specifically grass types, timing of things like that. It seems that there's a growing movement of Aboriginal corporations and landholders who are working together really well, and I think that's probably the future of fire management.
I believe that the use of fire would destroy microbes in the soil, and then through reading a book written by Charles Massey, he was talking about connection with country using First Nation stuff, and I just asked the question, and we've had Victor Stephenson's been to home 3 times and have just got a ridiculous amount out of it, and just see it as a great way to get country healthy, but also connection's a big part of what we are with our place. A lot of First Nation stuff's about connection. I just see a real link there.
With using cool burns the way we did last night, benefits to that there is for the fuel reduction, taking care of weed management, being taken care of. We're healing country. The gum trees now realise they've had the smoke. It's time for them now to flower, drop their seeds for the next generation to come back through.
I thought it was awesome. Yeah, very informative, bringing together the traditional knowledge combined with modern type management, I think, and it's a sharing of knowledge more than anything. I see it as a tool that's probably the most misunderstood as far as management goes. There's a lot of misconceptions out there around it. For me, it's about repairing the country back to the way it was. It's about removing plants that aren't supposed to be there and aren't happy there, which is kind of choking the landscape. It's not getting rid of anything, it's just restoring the landscape back to its more natural state from years of mismanagement, I guess, you know.